Hello and welcome to BoloForms. Today I will drive you towards a new feature where we'll be focusing on how you can enhance the security of your document signing process, especially in European regions where certain signature types like uploading and typing are restricted. Stay tuned to learn how to disable specific signing option. Firstly, we'll click on PDF creation option, then we'll upload a file and we'll fill in all the required details. I have filled in all the required details. Now I will click on confirm. My document has been uploaded along with all the required fields. Now I will click on settings. Under select sign initial type, there are three options available for a signature type. First is upload, second is typing. Just to disable this upload and typing signature option, we just have to toggle this off. I have toggled both upload and typing signature off, letting the signers to draw add their signature only by drawing it manually. Now I will click on confirm and will add the required fields. I have added the required field. Now I will click on send. For instance, I have sent this to myself only, so I'll get an option to sign now. Now I will click on start signing. The required signature field is here. I will click on your signature, and here you can see here what it looks like when a user sign a document. Now the only available option is to manually draw their signatures. In many countries, particularly in certain legal, financial and healthcare sectors, regulations may be prohibited typed or uploaded signatures due to security concern. Disabling these options ensures compliance with local laws and reduces the risk of legal challenges. This feature is invaluable not only for meeting compliance standards but also for ensuring that each signature is verifiable, authentic, which is crucial in preventing forgery and ensuring the integrity of your document. Now I will draw my signature manually. I will click on done, and now I will click on finish signing for my final process. Thank you.